sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart, 'cause you're a sky.
Happy birthday, Jacob. Enjoy mo lang yung araw mo ngayong March 2. 7 years old ka na ito. Siguro pagtanda mo, maaalala mo to. Or kung ano man, sana maging masaya ka lang palagi.
Happy birthday, Jacob. I'm just so thankful for what kind of person you have become. And lagi mo lang tatandaan that we're always proud of you kahit anong mga nagiging desisyon mo sa buhay, and we're always here to support you. And we are very, very happy sa mga nangyayari sa'yo as a kid.
Jacob, one at a time ang pambababaya, huwag sabay-sabay. Sunod-sunod pwede.
Cause you're a sky full of stars.
So, ang wish namin na lumaking ang malusog, masaya.
At mabait.
At mabait. At
Love
may
you,
takot
Apo.
sa Diyos. Jollibee.
Wish you all the best. Good health lang palagi. Tsaka mahalin mo lang yung mga magulang mo. Yun lang. Enjoy.
I'm gonna give you my heart. Oh, I don't care. Go on and tear me apart. I don't care.
Happy birthday, Jacob! I love you!
Happy birthday, Jacob. Sana malusog ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Jacob!
I think I see
Continue to be a great kid and continue to make us proud. Kayo, ma.
Uy, mag-reduce ka naman, Jacob.
Birthday, Jacob. Sana mahalin mo mga magulang mo. Pati ko, mahalin mo rin.
Jacob, lagi ka maging mabait ha. Malin mo yung papa mo kahit na loko-loko yan. Pero mahal na mahal ka niyan. And yung mama mo lalo.
My wish for you is to continue being just who you are. Just keep on chasing your dreams and be happy. Mama and Papa will always be here for you. And ayun lang, always pray to the Lord.
Magiging kuya ka na lalo na. Tapos si Pablo, lagi mong paano yung pag-aalaga namin sa'yo or paano yung pag-correct namin sa'yo. Di ka namin pinapagalitan, pinagsasabihan ka lang namin. Yun, ganun din yung gawin mo sa kanya para lumaki siyang katulad mo. Kasi ikaw, okay ka. Okay ka. Tuloy mo lang yan.
This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
you. Get all the toys you with for let's have more adventure together.
No, just don't wake me now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Wish ko lang matupad yung kung ano rin yung dream mo. Ngayon hindi mo pa alam yung gusto mo pero nakasupport lang kami palagi sa'yo. Kung ano man yung kaya namin palagi, yung mga hindi namin naranasan dati paparanas namin sa'yo.
Always remember to be good and to respect other people and to be always happy with what you want in life. Ayun lang. I love you!
Lose control.